telling you, threats.
Oh, wow.
I'm telling you, like, no.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Hitania Fix, I Destroy, and Neutralize. I'm back and I'm back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ndombi Yaseqebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
My chance.
Kwenye indawo but hayi la uphushile akufani.
Akufani.
I know 6 months ngeke iphele. It will only take into encane. Gone.
Wow.
Bye.
It's fine, Dlamini.
Come back crying.
Hi, guys. How are you? I'm good. Can you please come closer? I'd love to ask you a couple of questions. Just a little couple's quizinyan. You guys are such a good-looking couple. You're so pretty. Okay, come on my left, sir. Okay, name?
Yeah, Mfana Futhi.
Mfana Futhi.
Yeah.
And? Nonhlanhla, how long have you been with Mfana Futhi?
11 months.
11 months. Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay. Kicking.
Yes.
Okay, where did you meet her?
Sahlangana emoli, I was going to shop. Then ngamtholile inini. Sistuntu sando sami beshoda ngemali, futhi ngamhlangana ashoda lapha ethilini.
Oh, damn.
Ukumgcwalisela, then we connected, then.
Oh, nice.
Ngafuna amanamba akhe, then yeah, we get to each other. That's when the relationship started.
Okay, I like that. Okay, and what is it that you like about him?
Oh, he's my man. No, he's like, muntu right, like uyangijabulisa, like safe space.
Okay,
So
oh, that's nice.
Ngijabulisa.
I like that, girl. Okay, what is it that you like about him, Nonhlanhla?
Yazi nje angazi ngachaza kanjani kodwa since nje kwaba yimi nje. On my previous relationships nje. Labantu bonke bengibathola bangangijabulisi the way manginayo ngizizwa ngakhona, so like she's one of the best nje.
Okay, yeah. Your best love.
Best, yeah, I can say best, best, yeah.
Okay.
One of the best love
Okay.
of mine, yeah.
I hear you. I'll take it. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, Skat, how much do you trust him?
I think I'll give him a 9.
A 9.
Yeah, khona okunye nje kuthizeni akwenzayo engak-understand, so yeah, a 9.
When's Antoni that you don't understand, Nonhlanhla?
Hey, uyanyamalala lo mfana. So that 1% we're still working on it, so yeah.
Okay. Mfana futhi unyamalele uyephi?
And yabona lento engizokutshela yona, into enginokumtshela yona naye sometimes. Mina mangingekho ngisuke nginamajita wami. Sithanda ibhola, sinokubuyela ibhola, umdlalo idabi or ini. Then sinokuhlala nje namajita, yeah.
So unyamalala, so qohlala namajita, you don't answer your phone, you don't nothing.
I do answer my phone. Sometimes it might happen ukuthi mhlambe iflat or maybe iyakhala but angizwa kunomsindo. Sinamajita vele, like we are happy.
Yes.
Everything was, yeah, so
Okay.
depends ukuthi mhlambe ngingayizwa sometimes, but yena uyazi ukuthi usually even when ngitholile mhlambe ngisikole yakhe ngiyabuyela kuye ngimthini.
Hey, did you hear that explanation, Nonhlanhla?
Yeah.
Are you happy with it?
No, like, does it make sense to you?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. Okay. Namandiva, to be honest. Okay, but on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust her?
I trust her a lot.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Damn, okay, sir. Okay, guys, what we do on this show now, we basically make couple switch phones. Ooh, guys, we basically make couple switch phones, okay? So you go through each other's WhatsApps, right? And you check each other's WhatsApps. We're testing your loyalty.
I'm okay with that.
You okay with that? Nonhlanhla, you okay with that?
Why? What's up?
Oh, you look stressed, Nonhlanhla. What do you want me to check? Must I check Facebook?
Yeah, maybe Facebook. Like WhatsApp.
But after WhatsApp.
Okay, no, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay, can we have you? We'll start with your phone. Eh? Can I have your phone, please? Okay, go to WhatsApp for me. Just open it. Oh, perfect. Okay. Here you go. Type search. Ne? Okay, can I hold your phone for you? Yeah, thumbs. Okay, type love you.
Sathandana mina naye.
Time will tell. What do you see, Nathan?
There's nothing. Just in the group chat.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Nah, umama yakhe nje kuphela.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who he's doing favors.
Okay, no.
Okay,
Umama yakhe nobhuti wakhe.
okay.
Yeah.
Udube pisana wena. Delete. Type outside. Let's see who he's fetching.
Okay, no. Nothing. Just
Okay.
group chats.
Okay, delete that. All right, type babe.
Yimi kuphela.
Oh, nice. Delete that. Type pregnant.
Okay, no.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Oh, aye. Umama yakhe.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Nothing.
Yeah, hey, okay, delete that.
Wow.
Hey, type cash send.
Ndiyimi kuphela.
Oh, that's cute. You only send your woman, give him back his phone. You only send your woman money. It's only her that you send money.
Ngiyamthanda.
I like that.
Ngiphatha nje.
I like that. She deserves money.
Uyambona.
Yes, I've been saying. Girl, don't disappoint us. Open your phone. Okay. Right. Okay, search. Ne?
Okay.
Type love you.
Love you.
What did you see?
Ubani lo mbhale ngochomi manje uthi I love you kuzo?
Tena uzobhala Chomi, not her name. Going to the conversation?
Ngibona isithombe somfana musi la kuchomi. Inde uyobulise wena kuqala. Uthi hi love.
Let me see.
Sibulisana kanjalo emsebenzini sonke.
I just want to go at the beginning of the chat.
Ulove ubani man?
Uchomi.
Nibizana ngolove nochomi.
Sonke sibizana ngochomi love.
Hi, Tapelo here. Please save my number. The first time you guys started chatting.
Yeah.
Ubani uThapela?
Muhle emsebenzini babe.
Then ubhale Chomi ke.
Because sibizana kanjalo emsebenzini.
Okay. Hey, can we call him?
Yeah, angazi noma
Uyangithitela phe.
With Tapelo?
Ngitshitele mos angitshitele.
Ngicela simfone.
Ngingamfonela uThapelo.
We can call Tapelo. Hey. Chomi? And your friend's name must be right Mbali or you know?
No, angithi sibizana njalo ukuthi uchomi. Hi chomi, unjani chomi?
Uh-huh.
Plus he's gay, so yeah. That's
Really? Has anyone ever told you look like Sain Bougie?
Oh, thank you.
Do you know that? Anezla, because you're cheating. Because you're cheating, he doesn't want to compliment you. But you are cheating.
I'm not.
Hold Lamin. Hi, can I speak to Tapelo?
Sure Thapela. Alright.
Right wena.
Ngiyaphila. Bengicela ukubuza uyamazi uNonhlanhla?
Mfiti ngiyamazi noNhlanhla ubani ongibuza noNhlanhla?
Bengicela ukubuza ukuthi wena noNonhlanhla nihlanganiswa yini wona noNonhlanhla?
noNhlanhla umntwana.
Too much information.
Thapela
ungamnaki lo mfana, ungamnaki. Ungamnaki.
Wajahile ukudrop.
Dropa. Too much
Uthi
information.
nihlanganiswa yini wena naye
Too
uNonhlanhla?
much information.
Ngiyashaya manje ngenza.
Ufuna
Hayibo. Uthi umuntu wakhe mosweni uya hey. Awuchazelani ubani lo muntu lo? Awuthi yami. Manje wena ubhizi yena ogelo wami la. Mina ngiyisilima kusho sonke lesikhathi.
Angichavu ngabuza yena mina ngaziboha umuntu uthana.
For how long?
Ninesikhathi esingakanani nizwana wena naye?
Mina ngayibamba la ku 9 months.
Sina 11 months isitsholo.
Nanku nonhlanhla Thapelo.
Thapelo ngizokufonela later ne.
Sonke lesikhathi angithandi.
Oh my
No,
God.
understand.
Understand what?
No, like I've been telling him ukuthi akhatha ama-threats.
Oh
I'm telling
wow.
you, like yangidina ngeke sihambe sesalon C2 no.
Ayenzeni?
Hayi, Thapelo unechiskop, he's a man. Hayi.
Ufuna nje lethiscope.
Yebo, indoda ayibe played.
Kala wethu sahlangana ngilonginama-threats wangitshela manje le nto
Dala
leyo.
ngokutshela siku-relationship ngethi khipha lento esekhanda ngithandi.
Wangithanda kanje why?
But you met him like this in Janam,
Why
but
mele
Ay,
shintshe manje
ngene
after-
ku-relationship angisawathandi, ngidecidile.
so are you willing to cut them, Gyok? But she has to break up with Thapelo. Kaya do you choose Thapelo?
No, I think leyo into esoyidiscussa endlini not here.
Okay. Go discuss, okay, guys. Do you want to discuss it? Do you want to stay with her? Okay, are you done? Or are you willing to discuss it?
Eish, yazi ngidinekile la ngidinekile nje yiwe ngakhona angazi nokuthi ngicabanyeni. Angazi.
Give them their phones,
Abantu
Jamani.
bami, sikabantu bami manje.
Did you give them their phone?
Yes, I love her, ngiyamthanda.
Eh.
And okay, ngazama ukuthi imlungise. I don't know cause ngiyamthanda.
So you're willing to cut your dreads as well?
No, I don't know, but ngama-threats I'm not sure.
Ne?
And the relationship is done.
It's done.
But in Nontanza, why did you not
what's wrong with my
communicate this?
dreads?
Why didn't you communicate this before?
I told him, I've been telling him.
Oh.
Stingy nangemali yokuya esalon yeso. Mara yena ubuye ama-threats a-right mina.
So when's eyakhe ezakhe
Yes.
ngeke?
So kumele azigunde leyo mali kumele ize kimi ngichime.
Beka ngifayele imali mama ufuna imali.
No incane ke, incane. That's why udinga umuntu ozokusiza ukuthi be incane.
Okusho ukuthi lo muntu lo besimfonelile kahle kahle.
Yeah.
Ukuphi imali?
Yeah, uyangipha imali angithi umuntu wami ungizwile uthi umuntu wami.
9 months.
Yes.
What do you want to do? She's decided already. You cut the dreads or go discuss at home. Ufuna uthini wena?
Hayi ukugunda ngeke. Ngiyakuthanda ukuthanda kakhulu futhi. Funa manje ngisasha yekho ngingamthanda nje kodwa ama-threats. Hayi cha ngeke. Sandwa sami,
Yo,
ama-threats.
it's a tough one. Guys, go discuss at home. You don't have to decide now. You don't have to discuss now. Go discuss at home, ne? Hambani, guys.
Nje nothi benyaphi nje. Yasola.
But kaloku, you wouldn't have known Bana she's cheating on you. Go follow your woman and discuss. Yo. Oh. Would you cut your dreads?
Ubani ngeke. Angeke. Khohlwa.
My mom has dreadlocks. She would never.
Angeke.
Even if she loves the man.
Ngamani ngihambe sisi.
Dreadlocks are his identity. Yeah, Lams. Shame, man.
Nobafo nje ngathi unteke nteke.
Okay, be honest. She looks like Sambushi, ne?
Hayi, she doesn't look like something.
Aibo, Pinda does she not look like Sambushi? Thank you.
Uphinde uzovuma vele.
Pinda always agrees with you. It's the first time Pinda actually agrees with me.
Uphinda always agrees with you.
Aibo.
Makuyima ngazi ukuthi uphinde ungibonani.
Anyway,
Sabazo sanibhuji thina
she looks like Sambushi.
Hayi. Kohlisa ingane abantu.
She looks like Sambushi. Anyway, you're the only one that doesn't think so. I know the people in the comments will also think so.
Komentani ngazi ngiyangithanda ngene ngilahlekisa. Akuna sanibhuji. Even the resemblance.
She does look like Sambushi.
Xobo.
She looks like Sambushi.
No. You look like Kardashian. Wait.
We're not talking about me.
Me,
No,
I'm
I
talking
don't.
about you.
She looks like
Me, I like
Sambushi.
talking about you.
Samini, shall we
Care about
close?
someone I just met now. Bro, I'm not gonna see her again. So why kumele ngikhulume ngaye? Talking about someone
Okay, fine.
engimbona
Okay.
kokoko.
We can
okoko.
close. We can close, ne?
Engimbona okoko.
Samini, let's go. I want to sort out my tummy. I'm so bloated.
Okay, asamba.
We can go home. Why are you looking at it like that?
You do the pie again.
I-pepper steak ihleli la.
I can feel it.
Nje i-pepper steak in the morning ihleli la. It's not going anywhere. Usabathe. It's we are here to stay. So askisa sambe ilungisa.
Why do you like hlogolozering me?
I just like hlogolozing you. I feel good when I hlogoloza you. I feel nice. I feel
Tell them now that I'm not heavy.
no, you're not. No, I was just, that was an act. She's not heavy, very light in complexion. She's very light. If Uzwana and Elisa and you have like, let's say a double-story house, she's the way she's so light. Umuntu ongambeka nje lana, ukale na emnyango, uye kitchen, khuphuka ama-step, ulokhu lana nje ama-stepisi, ulokhu nje ula. Ulokhu nje lize nofika phezulu, ngeke umbeke phansi the way I lighting ngakhona. You're very light.
So why did you have to pretend that I'm heavy? I don't like it.
I wanted to know
I don't
ukuthi
like it.
yeah, bengifuna ukubona ukuthi uzothini, but you're not heavy. No, she's not. Not heavy at all.
Okay,
After
Dlamini.
drinking all this green juice and whatever, pepper steak, she can't be heavy. You're not heavy. You're very light. Yophinda ngakuka.
Okay. I don't like it with Upinda Dlamini.
You don't like it? I know.
But we're closing anyway.
Asambe mama.
Guys, that's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Please do follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Welcome Zamini _88. Instagram. Facebook, welcome Zamin. TikTok, welcome Zamin. Let's go light.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.